Okay, so just a quick peeksies. So I got my little stuff hung up and whatnot on my truck, and the top bunk and stuff is up. For right now, that's my dish stuff, my soap, and extra trash bags. I put my stuff back up here temporarily. The laundry bag and laundry basket, that's actually gonna go back under the bed in a minute, but they needed access in the shop for that. So I had to put it up here inside for the time being, and then I gotta do laundry later in the day when I stop tonight. But they're just almost finishing up with her. My cleaning products and stuff up there. The mattress that actually fits up there that I got, and the sheets and bedding and stuff. I gotta wash those too for up there on the top bunk. My rug, which she's dirty. She needs to go in the wash because those freaking people at the shop came in here with their dirty shoes on my pink rug. So annoyed. Anyway, my little bucket with my cleaning rags for the floor. My map that usually is up here, but I moved it because they just came and gave my baby Pearl a new windshield, and I love that for her. So they're finishing up a couple of other things, but other than that, should be done soon. Okay, so we are, her windshield is so clear, oh my gosh. But this is our trailer right here that we came in this yard with, the 240134. Now, obviously, it is very close in there, like super duper close in there. The yard jockeys, because we were here yesterday, they didn't get the shop out the truck until 11 at night. So they moved it from where I had it and they parked it in this tight space. Okay. So waiting on my trainee to come back out here. Let's do a quick walk around really. Yeah. They're putting the bolt cutters at the door for me, but they gave us door number 15. So when she comes back out, I'm gonna go ahead and set up to back into the door. Okay, but yes, we are ready to go. Everything has been good so far. So wasn't really sure what was going on, but it was flashing a message on the dash saying shifting restricted, and then transmission service required. I got her to turn back on, and then we were able to get rolling, but we busted a tire 10 miles outside of El Paso. Yeah, and so that happened. Needless to say, I hauled ass, y'all, to get to that Love's to fix the truck, because who was about to be stuck in the desert? Yeah, so we were able to like make it to the El Paso, Texas Love's. That's off of the exit, but thankfully it was not more than 50 miles. Like we were a couple of minutes away from the exit when the light and stuff went off and the tire blew. And I tried to go ahead and get it like here at least. That's the part that kind of blew off when we were coming in here, and I had to back up and kind of go around, but you can see it in there. Yeah. So but all the other tires are good. All the other tires are good. It's just that one. She is shredded. And then it wrapped around the brake there, so they're gonna have to unwrap that. And take it out and everything when they do the replacement, but everything else is good. we made it here safely to the truck stop to be able to pull in here, and I'm so thankful that we were close and not farther away from it, because anybody that's ever came down on I-10 in El Paso, or heading towards El Paso I should say, you know how far that is, and there's nothing in between there. No truck stops, no nothing. So I'm glad that we were close when that happened and we could just kind of limp it here with our hazards on. But my trainee, she went inside to use the bathroom, so I'm just kind of waiting here. The lady said she's gonna come outside and check over everything. So yeah, I just wanted to document that, because that is crazy. Absolutely crazy. But it's okay, we're safe, we made it. It can be fixed. I have the spare on my tire rack back here, and then when we get back up, when we're leaving out of here to go to Irving and we pass through the Pam yard up there, I'm gonna get this replaced, because they're gonna put this one on the tire back there, that blue, and then I'm gonna have them put I get a free replacement for the tire rack when I get to the Pam yard. So yeah, I will touch bases later when we're kind of moving throughout the day and stuff.
Yo había fundado un instituto de investigación dentro de la red de centros de investigación de CONACYT, se llama Centro de Investigación Social Avanzada, donde de vez en cuando le mandábamos informes.
Got to the hotel. They put me and my trainee into a La Quinta because Pearl, she broke down, so she's getting worked on. And just put my stuff over there, my laundry I need to do. And this is just the room. Have a little microwave, fridge, TV. This little area right here. I gotta do my hair, y'all. Don't mind me, because she's looking not put together right now, but it's okay, because we're gonna fix it. Got a little iron, all that good stuff. Bathroom in here. Hopefully the water pressure is good. But yeah, hold on. Look at this. This is the view from the hotel that we're in, where we're waiting on a truck to get fixed. And there's like a little track here, because I guess this is like a school. It's like right here. Oh my goodness, this view is beautiful. So gorgeous. Love it. Okay, so we're at the Pilot. I mean, the Loves, really. I don't know if that man knows that his little side door is open, if you could see it. It's open, and it's just like flying around. But yeah, I'm not entirely sure if he's backing up or like what he's doing. But we're on our 30-minute, 18 minutes in, and I'm about to go run in the store really and get some stuff I need to refill on. And then my trainee, she's gonna take over driving for her 5 hours today. So I'm gonna go tell him that his thing is open. So I ended up at this pilot with my trainee. I didn't realize it was closed. There's like nothing over here. We went to the inside, or tried to go to the inside, and it was just locked. So she walked across the street to the gas station, and I ended up walking to go get me McDonald's for our 30. So she's coming back. She's right behind me. She had just left a little bit after I left, so yep, she's meeting me back at the truck. But it was a nice little walk of exercise. And look at how good my trainee did backing. I let her do a straight back. Let me put my food inside before I do that, because I don't want it to just be like all over the place. Hold on. Okay. So she did good. She got in the space and everything. She could have came back a little bit more, but I didn't want to, you know, make her feel like I'm forcing her to come like too close back, because she is in the space. So, and it's curved back here anyway, so it's okay. But see, y'all, she did good. I'm so proud of her. And she was so nervous. It was so funny. But yeah, she did good. Yay, trainees. Into my truck.